Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you an amazing project with seed beads. For this one I will use 1.4mm crochet hook, a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams, and beads, small one. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Let's get started. Let's crochet lace tape ribbon. Make a chain, then continue chain of 2 to bring up the yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first chain stitch, make double crochet, not finish. I have got 2 loops on the hook, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same chain stitch, make double crochet, not finish. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Then make chain of 3 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make single crochet. Continue. I turn the work into the chain space. I'm going to work with half double crochet with seed bead. Draw seed bead. This is the back side of the work. So I'm going to work in this way that my seed bead will be on the front side. Draw seed bead, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, make half double crochet. Half double crochet is ready. In total it should be 4 of them. I'm done the first one. 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Here what I have. I continue working on my cord. Make a chain, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same chain space, make double crochet, not finish 1, make the second one, and pull through all loops on the hook. Then make chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's look at the front side. I move down and work with the chain space that is in the lower row. Here is my chain space and move down, and here is my next one. Work with this chain space, make single crochet, turn the work. This is the front side of the work into the chain space, and now I'm going to work with half double crochet, but in this case I'm working on the front side. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. As you can see, my seed bead before the work. Insert the hook into the chain space, make half double crochet. In total it should be 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. I continue working on my cord. I am working on the front side. Make a chain. Make double crochet 2 together. First one, make the second one and pull through. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is chain space at this side, and here is my stitch that is closer to this chain space. Insert the hook into this stitch. Make single crochet. Let's repeat. Pull a little bit. This is the back side of my project. Then I'm going to work with half double crochet with seed bead. So my seed bead will be behind the work. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. I'm working on the back side. Next step, I'm going to make a chain and a cluster made of 2 double crochet. Make the first one, make the second one and pull through. Make a chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work. There is chain space. Here is my stitch that is closer to it. Insert the hook into this stitch, make single crochet. Turn the work. Now I'm going to work with half double crochet, but my beads will be before the work. I'm going to do in the same way as I did here. My small piece of pattern is ready. Pattern consists of only 2 rows. You should make as many times as you need. The length of the cord you desire by yourself. Let's look at my project. You can use beads or you can make just stitches. My cord is almost ready. And now I show you how to finish my project. To secure the yarn by making a chain, and I have already cut off the yarn as you can see. You should leave a long piece of yarn if you would like to make jewelry, like bracelet or necklace. Let's look at the both examples. As you can see, one of them with beads and another one without them. Here how they look like. Let's look at the back side. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. You can use it like a jewelry such as bracelet, necklace, belt or choker. Or it could be perfect for hair. Also, you can use it like a trim. In this case, you should join this cord to the main pattern. Please write comment below the video what you will get with my video tutorial and where you will use it. So as a result, I have got amazing project with beads. Thank you so much for watching. There are a lot of links in the description below this video tutorial, so please look at the description and you will find a lot of interesting video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!